In this video, I want to show you how to use conversion tracking in the ad creation process. To get started, log in into your ads manager and then click on the green button over here to start the ad creation process. Great. The first step is to choose the objective for your campaign. Now, without conversion tracking, you only have this option here: send people to your website, sending people to a squeeze page. Now, you can do that, of course, but that's just a very basic version of building up a list with Facebook. And seriously, you're missing out on one of the best features that Facebook is offering, and that is really tracking conversions. So what you should do instead, once you installed your conversion pixel and once that is working properly, create a campaign and select this campaign objective here: increase conversions on your website. Okay, this will give you far better results and you can allocate your budget much better. You will just reach more people and get more opt-ins with your budget. So seriously, use conversion tracking to build up your email list. Well, the next step is to enter the URL of your squeeze page. Let's just do that quickly. Perfect. And as you can see, there is a field below that section here and it says choose a conversion. So you want to click here, select your conversion pixel, which is complete registration, and then just click on continue.